All right. Now, when you check the final answers, you should have completed your exercise A, B, C, D, E, F, G until the last one. Okay, then go and check your answers. Now, I'm going to solve all those sums, check your values whether you're right or wrong. I'll be working from backwards now. I'm going to exercise G to get the to start with. All right. So check please, exercise G, question number 1. Now I need to go a little bit fast please, right, because of the time factor. Right, I'll be copying question number 1. Please understand that is exercise G, question number 1 please. It's on the screen for you, which is 6x squared plus 31x. Those are a little bit hard sums, so that's why I chose that. Plus 40. Well, numbers seem to be very, very big. We got to take the 6 and 40, please, and find the, well, some people actually multiply them, but I'll show you another shortcut and see how it can be done. On the same page, I think I'll be taking 6 and 40. 6 and 40. We multiply, we do get a 206 fours, 24 0. Guys, taking the factors of 240 is really tough. I mean, there are so many. So what I do, I'll show you another way, right? Let's keep the 40 as 40, keep the 6 as 6. Just find the factors of that, 40. So 4 times 10, 6 is a 6. So you got 3 numbers now, right? Same time, 40 can be 8 times a 5, okay? That gives you 40 and your 6 comes back as 6. So this is how you just do, right? In the end, choose any 2 factors, say make 3 of them, make 2 of the 3, all right? Well, as I said, you look for the 6 and 40, okay? If you multiply, it's a bit tough. So keep the 6, let's just split the 6 first. It's a 2 times a 3, 6. And the 40 can be 8 times 5, okay? 8 times 5, or maybe 4 times 10, okay? There are so many. So you need to fiddle around with these 4 numbers, just, right? Or with those 4. Make sure that you got only 2 numbers in the end. All that you need to do, please listen, you're allowed to multiply them only, okay? I need to get a middle number here. Please check, that was our question. That is the middle number, right? Which one? Can we do 2 times a 4 is 8, 3 times a 10, 30. So when I add, I get 38. No, I'm looking for 31. Right, let's see. 2 times a 8, 16. 3 times a 5, 15. Come on, guys. 3 times a 5, 15. And 2 times 8, 16. So actually, it's a 16 times 15 will be same as a 6 times 40. So that's how you split the middle term. All right. So let's go back to our question. We need to split the middle term. That is the one, please, right? We need to split that as 16 and 15. So I'll write that as a 15x plus 16x, which gives me 31x. When I multiply, I get the product of 40 times 6, please, which is 240. 16 times 15 is also 240. The last term won't change, comes back as 40. And the first term will be 6x squared. Sign is plus. All are plus, so we can smile. 4 terms we got. We'll be looking for the common factors, 6 and 15. 3 is common, then x is common. And inside the bracket, we'll be looking for 3 times 2 is 6, x is x, plus 3 times a 5 is 15. Then the next one, positive sign, so fine, and 16 and 40. Come on. What is the maximum common factor? 2 is common, 4 is common, 8 is common. Please watch. 8 is common, 8 is the maximum. X is not common. So inside the bracket now, 8 times 2 16x there, x is x, and plus 8 times 5, 40. Now, why should we be happy? Because those two brackets are same, right? So 2x plus 5, and the length is 2x plus 5, and the width is 3x plus 8. Okay, that is how you do. Just be careful when the question contains larger, say, numbers. You just need to take the first and last. Don't multiply them because it takes a long time for you to check. Split each one. Finally, use all of them and make any two factors that add up to the middle term and multiply together to get the product of the first and last. Okay. Next question is on the screen, which is going to be 12x squared plus 11x minus 15. All right. So that's here please. 12x squared minus 11x minus 15. Oh, sorry, plus it is. Check your sum, please. Exercise G, that's the next one. We are looking for 11. I need to take the 12 and 15. Once again, I don't want to multiply them. It takes a big one. So I'll be taking 12 and 15. Watch there. 12, 15, please. But that's a minus 15. Just be careful. That's a 3 times a 4. 15 is 5 times a 3. I'm looking for 11, please. The middle one is 11. Right. How do I get 11? Come on. How do I get 11? 3 times 5, 15, 4 3 is 12. No. 3 3 is 9, 5 4 is 20. Haha, we got it. Here. 4 times 5 is 20. 3 times 3 is 9. 20 minus 9 will give you the 11 that we are looking for. Please watch, that's a positive 11. So I'll be going for a positive 20 and a negative 9. Gives me a positive 11. When I multiply them, I get the product of 12 and minus 15. All right? 12 and minus 15. Come on. 20 times 9 is a 180. Okay, that's a 180 with a minus sign. And 12 times 15 is also minus 180 if you take that sign into account. Right, let's split this into two parts there. One is a plus 20x and the next one is a minus 9. And I'll be copying the last one as a minus 15. And the first one stays as a 12x squared. All that we do, we look at the common factors from those two and those two. Sorry, there is an x here. All right. Right. 12, 20, 4 is common. 4x is common, please. Inside the bracket, what we get? 4 times 3, 12. X is x there. Plus is plus. 4 times 5, 20, please. The sign is minus, danger. Whenever you see the sign minus, that is an indication of danger, because that sign will change. Well, 9 and 15, maximum common 3, please. And inside the bracket, 3 times 3x is a 9x, but that minus will change to plus. And 3 times 5, 15. Those two brackets are same, and we can copy one of them as the length of the rectangle, which is 3x plus 5, and the width should be the left outs, which is 4x minus 3. Okay, that is how you can solve sums. Why I chose exercise G means the numbers are big, so I just want to show you how to solve those sums. Sorry, you do have the shortcuts, but we'll do that in the end if I have time, right? Now, question number 3. Okay, question number 3, but that's a 12 and 15 again. Wantedly, I chose that. Question number 3, please. Exercise G, question number 3. The question is a 12x squared again, and a minus 3x and a minus 15. Now let's go back and then check. Do we get a minus 3 somewhere? Those are the factors we chose. Last time we chose the 20 and 9 because 4, 5 is 20 and 3, 3 is 9. This time, what happens if I choose 12 and 15 as they are? 15 and 12. Minus 15 and plus 12 should be a minus 3. So that's quite simple. So split the middle term as a minus 15x and a plus 12x. The last term stays as the same, which is minus 15, and the first one is a 12x squared. From those two, 3 is common, 3x is common, and inside the bracket 3 4s 12 and minus 3 5s 15.